Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about servicing your transmission and why it's so important. At the West Automotive Group, we recommend to service your transmission every 18 to 20,000 miles or once a year. Now keep in mind, that's not the manufacturer's recommendation on most vehicles, but the reason that we do recommend to do this is we've seen what happens when you don't service the transmission regularly. You get a lot of clutch wear inside vehicles. These are actually filters, and you can see the metal contamination inside of them. The only thing you can do to extend the life of your transmission is to replace the filter itself and the fluid if accessible. Some transmissions you can only drain and refill. Filters are only accessible when a transmission is rebuilt. In that case, you drain and refill the fluid. If you service your transmission regularly, you can extend the life of it. We know this. You keep it clean. It's a hydraulic unit. If you don't service it regularly, all this metal contamination and clutch material continues to circulate throughout the transmission, causing valve and solenoid issues, which in turn cause the early demise of a transmission over time. So at the West Automotive Group, recommend get your vehicle in, get the transmission serviced once a year every 20,000 miles. It'll stay in good working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.